Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make chicken seekh kebab. At the end of this recipe, I'm also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need 500 gram minced chicken, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 inch chopped ginger, 4 garlic cloves roughly chopped, 4 chopped green chillies, some finely chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon desi ghee or any other vegetable oil, and 1 egg. For ground spices, this is a masala box and this is available in all Indian household. From this, we will use 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 0.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 0.5 teaspoon garam masala powder, 0.5 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 0.5 teaspoon carom seeds, and 1 teaspoon dry fenugreek leaf. Now for the recipe, squeeze the water out of the chopped onion. Add this to a blender with all the remaining ingredients and blend. Transfer this mixture to a big pot. Crack an egg into this mixture and mix everything all together. After mixing, keep it aside. Refrigerate for an hour to overnight. Apply some oil in your hands and take some amount of prepared mixture in your hands. Roll that mixture in your hand to avoid cracks in the kebabs. Apply that mixture to a greased skewer. Place the remaining kebabs on the baking sheet with the help of a brush. Apply ghee or oil. Remove the kebab from the skewer. For oven, preheat the oven at 200 degrees centigrade. Grill for 10 minutes and then flip to the other side and cook for another 10.
Similarly, place the kebabs on a greased pan on medium heat. Cook the kebabs until they are brown from all sides.
Your kebabs are ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. Here I have green chutney, mango and chili chutney, and tamarind sauce. The link for their recipes are in the description below. I also have yogurt, salad, radish slices and onion. So let's start the plating. Apply a stroke of brush dipped in tamarind sauce on a platter. Place 2 kebab pieces at 3 At each location, place a radish slice and salad green. Plate 1 is ready to serve.
Place a bowl full of mango and chili chutney on a platter. Place some salad greens on the other side. Add some kebabs on top of the salad greens. Place some radish slices on top of the kebab. Plate 2 is ready to serve. From 3 different squeeze bottles, put drops of tamarind sauce, mango chutney and green chutney in a staggered way. Place 3 onion rings at 3 locations. Add 2 kebabs, one on top of the other, over onion rings. Place radish slices and salad greens. Plate 3 is ready. With a spoon, add mango and chili chutney at the center of the platter. Place 3 onion rings on top of that. Place some kebabs on top of the onion rings. Place radish slices and salad greens. Plate 4 is ready. Apply 3 brush strokes of tamarind sauce on a platter. Place 3 onion rings at the center of the strokes. Place 2 kebabs on top of the onion rings. Add radish slices and salad greens on top of the kebabs. Plate 5 is ready to serve. Place drops of mango chutney in decreasing diameter from top to bottom in a crescent shape on right edge of the platter. Place some kebabs on top of the onion ring. Add radish slices and salad greens on top of the kebab. You can do the same on the other side as well. Place onion rings on right side of the platter. Squeeze some green chutney. Place some salad greens on top. Add kebabs on the top. Add some radish slices. Your plate is ready to serve. Place a spoonful of green chutney on the center of the plate. Hit the chutney using back of the spoon so that it splatters on the platter. Place onion rings, kebabs and radish slices with salad greens on top. Your plate is ready to serve. On the splattered green chutney, add yogurt on top and hit that with back of the spoon. Place onion rings on sides of the platter. Add kebabs on top of the onion rings. Place radish slice and salad green on top. Your plate is ready to serve. Using squeeze bottles, place alternative drops of mango chutney and tamarind sauce on one side of the plate. Place salad greens on the other side. Add kebabs on top of the salad greens. Your plate is ready to serve. Place drops of mango chutney on one side of the plate in a circular manner, leaving space between two drops. Add drops of tamarind chutney in vacant spaces. Using a toothpick, pass it through the center of both chutneys. Place salad greens in the middle of the floral design. Place kebabs and radish slices on the top. The plate is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.